Hey everyone, for those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Bernardo. Welcome to Tech Live Therapy. This is video 24, week 8 of our Tech Live Therapy sessions. And in today's video, we're looking at the MAONO Lavalier microphone. So stay tuned. We're going to do a quick unboxing so you see what's inside the box. And then I'll give you 5 reasons why you should get this mic. Perhaps a couple of reasons why you should stay away from it. So stay tuned and we'll get right into it. All right, so as I mentioned in the intro, we're looking at the MAONO Lavalier microphone. This is a wired microphone that you can utilize for YouTube videos, interviews, but first let's have a look at what's in the box. And just to give you an idea, if you want to do an audio comparison with the beginning of this video, and if you fast forward towards the end, I'm recording at this moment for the unboxing with a Rode mic, and it's the Video Micro. That mic starts at about $59. You can pick one up at Amazon or your local Best Buy. It's a good mic. I've been using it for all of my videos for the most part, but a fellow YouTuber actually recommended that I try this mic, and I want to say thank you. And here we go. So let's open up this box. Let's just see what's inside. Okay. So again, this is a wired mic. This is not wireless. It does come with batteries. So this is the mic, and this is your headphone jack or your input into your device. This is the mic. Comes with your mic cover. We'll put that on later. Comes with your clip. It also comes with an extra. There's nothing really else in the bag right now. All right, inside the box, you just have a instructions guide. Nothing on this side. So there you go, your 3.5 mm input for your devices. All right, so quick unboxing. It's really simple. You do come again with the battery, and you have an extra cover for your mic and your clip that you're going to use to clip it onto your shirt. So, all right, so in the next part of this video, I'm actually going to switch and I'm going to install the mic, and I'll give you a couple of the reasons why you might want to pick up this mic and a couple of reasons why you might want to stay away from it. So stick around, and we're going to do a quick switch so we can hear the audio from the mic as you continue watching this video. All right, so let's continue the video and let's go over the 5 reasons why you should purchase this mic and 5 reasons why you shouldn't. And again, as I mentioned earlier, I have now transitioned and I am recording the video with the mic. And if you wanted to compare it to what I started the video with, I was using the Rode Video Micro. So that mic goes for $59. It's not a clip-on lavalier mic. However, you know, you're looking at 2 devices that are fairly affordable, especially if you're just starting out your channel like I am. Okay, so going into the 5 reasons why you should, here are some highlights. Obviously, the most obvious one is cost. This mic is super affordable at $19.99. You can get it on Amazon. I did not find it on Best Buy though. Best Buy does sell lavalier mics. However, nothing in this price range. Number 2, This mic is compatible with any device that has a standard headphone jack, which is obviously all of your DSLRs and your smart devices like your smartphones, tablets. Okay, so even if you have a newer iPhone, as long as you have your dongle, you should be okay. Number 3, this device is great for interviews, and for the sole reason that the cable is super long. You're looking at 234 inches, about 20 feet. And what's really cool is that you can actually get a splitter and use 2 of these at the same time if you're doing an interview, or more than one person is trying to be in that video and you want to record and have audio for both individuals. All right. Number 4, it's super small, as you saw from the unboxing, lightweight, easy to set up, easy to clip to your collar, tie, and pocket. You won't even know you have it on when you're using it. It's easy for you to just sort of cover it up and not have it be too exposed. Number 5, battery life seems to be pretty solid from what I've read. Seller states 3 weeks if you keep it on 24 hours a day, several months if you just use it on and off. It did not state how many months, but it's something that, I think will vary based on someone's usage. And just to give you a bonus reason why you should, reason number 6, the number of positive reviews on Amazon. This device has about 320 reviews with a rating of 3.9 out of 5. And a lot of the feedback that I read was audio quality was great. All right, so definitely something to consider if you're looking to buy one of these. Now, jumping into the 5 reasons that you shouldn't buy one of these. It does not record in stereo. Okay, so if you're looking for something of higher quality, this is not the video for you, or I should say the mic for you. You probably want to look at a Rode mic or something in a different price range. All right, so sticking with sound quality, this does not cancel white noises or any background noise. So again, if you want something a little bit more advanced, you're gonna have to spend a little bit more. That's reason 2. Number 3, though I did say this is obviously compatible with anything with the standard headphone jack, I saw and I read a lot of reviews of users complaining that it did not work with certain cameras like Canon, Google Pixel phones. I'm currently using a Sony a7 II and it's working fine, but just be ready that not every device seems to work with the mic. I think it's more of an individual issue with the mic, not per se the like the phone or the camera, but it could be a hit or miss. But again, there are more positive than negative reviews. Number 4, there were several complaints outside of the one I just mentioned, compatibility, where the mic just stopped working after a few uses. Now, those reviews are all based on usage and how much or how they're being used, these mics, but there were several complaints on, it worked for a few times or it worked for a few recordings and then it just stopped working. All right, reason number 5, and this is something that really bugs me, is it's not rechargeable. This is not a rechargeable mic. Once your battery's out, you have to replace it, or it comes with an extra battery. It's not a rechargeable device, okay? And your bonus reason why you shouldn't buy this mic, and something that really bugs me as well, is there's no light indicator to tell me my battery level. So I could be recording this video right now or a future video and I could just lose power in the mic and not know it. So that's something that really does concern me. So if you're gonna buy one of these, you might want to proactively switch your battery from time to time before it drains out, so you don't run into an issue where you shoot a video and you have audio and nothing records. All right, so there you have it, the 5 or really 6 reasons that you should or shouldn't buy this mic. Hopefully it helped in your search for a mic. If you did, smash that like button. Okay, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. For those of you that have, thank you for your support, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Take care.